Welcome to This Dude Bakes, everybody. First off, get your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In your mixing bowl, put in your egg yolks, 2 egg yolks, your 1 teaspoon of vanilla, your ½ cup of softened butter, 2/3 cup of firmly packed brown sugar. Then put in your ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then add in your 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. And then turn on your mixer on low speed and mix it only until it's crumbly. When your crust is ready, put it in a 13-inch by 9-inch ungreased pan. Spread it out as evenly as possible. And if you feel you need to use a bottom of a glass to help make it more even, you can do that as well. Next, put it in your oven for between 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is light golden brown. When your crust is ready, take it out of the oven and immediately put your 3 cups of miniature marshmallows right on top. Spread it out evenly and put it back into the oven for a maximum of about 2 minutes. Just want them in until they puff up just a little bit. And then remove them from the oven, and remember to turn your oven off. Now, to help you get prepared for your corn syrup, you can spray the inside of your measuring cup. That'll help it pour out easier when it's time to use it. Don't these chips look good? Alright, so you're going to take a saucepan and pour your vanilla in and a 1/4 cup of butter. Pour in your corn syrup, it's 2/3 cup. And what I did was I found a package of chips that contain both peanut butter chips and milk chocolate chips, and it comes out to about 2 cups, or the package weighs about 11 ounces. Pour those in, and then I also used a cup of white chocolate chips, and you want to put it on low to medium heat and stir it constantly just until the chips melt a little bit. Then remove it from the heat and add in your rice cereal, 2 cups, and then 2 cups of salted roasted peanuts. Blend that together really well, and then you're going to pour it right on top of the marshmallows and spread it out as evenly as possible. Spread it out evenly and then press it down pretty firmly, and there you have it. Allow it to cool, and you can cut it into whatever size pieces you prefer. I made about 30 pieces out of this 13-inch by 9-inch pan. Alright, thank you very much for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Have a good day, and Lord willing, I'll see you with another video soon.